So here we are at the Node.js website. We should be met with an option here to download Node.js for whatever our current platform is. In this case, I'm running Windows 10, so I'm presented with the option to download a 64-bit version for Windows. We have an option here to download the LTS or long-term support version or the current version. The LTS version is there for enterprise clients. They don't really like things to change too much. So once a version becomes LTS, no new features or changes that might break stuff will be added into that release. The downloads page, which is located up here in the menu, it offers a full range of download options for Windows, Mac, and Unix in both the LTS and the current versions. And down further, we can see we can get previous releases. And this has a whole range of previous releases that we can get and use. So for now, we're looking to download for whatever platform you're on. If you're using one of the lab machines, then it's probably got this installed, and we can skip on to the next section. Okay, so you've been able to download the software. We run the installer. I've had a previous version of Node here, but it'll be updating to the latest version. So we click through to next, we accept the license agreement, and I'm just taking the default location for where it wants to install it. We'll take whatever the default properties and options that it's going to give us for the moment, and then let it install and do its thing. This shouldn't take particularly too long to happen. Okay, once we're done, finish. And the next step will be just to test to make sure that we've got a good install. To confirm your version of Node, simply open a terminal. Here I'm in Windows, I'm using the Windows PowerShell. You could use the Windows Command Terminal on Mac. Use whatever terminal programs you have, as well as on Linux. So in here, all we need to do is type in node -v, so V for version, and it will report back to us the current version that we have installed. If you get a value back here, you should be all good to go with what we need to do next.